us deep in the jungle. Need a heavy hauler with winches. Can you do it?
Perfect. I'll send you the coordinates.
Steady now, keep it straight. Right side clear and secured. Good work, team. Thanks for taking her on, gentlemen. She's seen better days, as you can see.
The muddier the better. We're excited to get started on the Enviro500. All right, team, this is the starting point. She's rough, but the bones are solid. We'll strip her down completely and bring her back to life.
The destination side frame is now fully detached. Noted the significant rust damage on the lower mantle.
All right, bring it up slowly. Watch the corner, steady now. All right, steady now, lift on 3. Careful, it's heavier than it looks. Watch your feet. According to the diagram, this is the main power line here. Yeah, but look at the state of it. It's completely corroded. Yeah. We're going to need a bigger wrench for this manifold bolt. Okay, bring it up. Steady now. Clear on this side, keep it straight. Secure, how's your side? Tight. All clear back here. All right, take it up slow, keep an eye on those chains. All right, lift it slow, watch the clearance on the left. Coming up steady, keep it clear of the frame.
Steady now, coming down slowly. She's making contact. Looks good on this side. All right, let's see how she spins.
And seated. Perfect fit. That's the sound we wanted. Start the bolts. There we go. Perfect adhesion.
It's the last bolt secured on the lower deck.
Upper connection is solid.
It looks brand new. Perfect fit.
Okay, secure that corner on your side. Tightening it now. There we go. Looks perfect. Look at her go!
Incredible work, team. Yay!
I can't believe we pulled this off. We finished the restoration. It looks incredible! Great job, team.